American outdoor grills are made with a stylish, sleek appearance. The rounded hood and contoured face feature a satin finish that enhances any outdoor kitchen. The new T-Series grill features a push-to-light piezo ignition system that eliminates the need for electricity or batteries. This results in a self-sufficient grill with a clean-looking front panel. Other AOG features include seamless polished trim for the best possible outer appearance, advanced stainless steel burners with a 15-year warranty, rounded edged vaporizer panels that ensure even heat distribution, reduce flare-ups, and raise flavor into the meal being prepared, stainless steel cooking grids that will perform wonderfully and stay reliable for years to come, a larger analog thermometer capable of recording temperatures of up to 1,000 degrees, framed in polished stainless steel, and a built-in infrared backburner for optimal rotisserie grilling. Critics say AOG U-burners provide an excellent temperature range and even heat. These grills are beautiful with solid construction and double wall hoods.